All right, guys, this is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another live New York session. It is Thursday, October the 17th. And before we get started, let's check the news here. As we can see, we had some news at 8:30. So that was 30 minutes ago. So we're past that. So it looks like we don't have any major news moving forward for today. So that's good. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be implementing, once again, the G.S.A strategy, and we're going to be trading gold. You guys know how much I love gold. So the very first step is to figure out what is the overall trend. So as we can see here from this swing low to this swing high, we can see that price has clearly been in a bullish motion, creating higher lows and higher highs. And each higher high has been broken with a higher high. So lets us know that price is currently pushing up and the bulls are clearly in control. So we are going to go ahead and draw a trend line here. Then we're going to confirm the trend with the CC trend indicator. Let's turn it on. And clearly you can see that the trend lines on the indicator are pointing upward. So it lets us know that the price is overall bullish. So we are correct as far as being in alignment with the overall trend. So that's all the steps we did on a big time frame. Let's go to our smaller time frame, the 15-minute. So now in the 15-minute, what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what is the current trend. So when we look here, I see a swing low here and a swing high. And from this swing high to this swing low, price clearly trended down. Okay, we can clearly see that. So now we see that there was also a breaker structure here. I also see a breaker structure right around this area too. Okay. Looks like price kind of swinging back a little bit, but this is really the breaker structure here. So we can see that price is currently bearish at this point. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually draw a trend line here. We're going to erase these trend lines if we're looking at the current market now. Let's confirm it with our CC trend indicator now. So the gray lines are still pointing upward, which is understandable because price was clearly going bullish all the way up until this point. So that's why the CC trend, that's why the gray lines here are pointing upward, but currently price is bearish, and that's what we really want to look for in this case. But now let's turn off the CC trend indicator. Now we want to mark up our most recent low, our most recent high, and our breaker structure. So we actually see that here. See the breaker structure right up in this area, and the swing high here. So let's mark that out. So these are our trading ranges that we are marking out. And then the breaker structure right up in this area. So we'll just say maybe up to here. There's a little bit up to here. We need to stretch it out to there. So we're clearly in a bearish trading range. So we're going to go ahead and label these trading ranges. So this is our swing low. This is our swing high. And then sorry, breaker structure. And then this is our swing low. I mean, swing high here. Okay. So now, now that we're in the bearish trading range, we're going to take our Fibonacci. We're going to swing it from the most recent low to the most recent high. Okay? And we can clearly see that price rejected the 50% here. First pullback here. So we could say that we definitely have a pullback zone right around this area. So we could say that that's pretty much accurate. We'll confirm that in a minute with the with the cheat code indicator. So let's go ahead and put our sell zone here. Move it all the way to the left here so you can see it. And then I'm going to mark in this area down to this area. Okay. Now the very next thing I'm going to do is kind of zoom in on price so we can kind of just see it a little bit clearer. I think this is here. Here. So now we turn on the cheat code indicator. Now you can see that upper Bollinger Band is up to here. And you see above the bottom Bollinger Band is here. Now the price this was our looks like this was our previous structure here because price pulled back here and then went down. So if price break this, then we might want to change our bias and see and think that prices possibly might be going bullish. And it's pushing up now. So it's a possibility we might want to be looking for counter sales and retest buys possible. But the previous structure that we marked up really is this structure here. So we'll see if price closes above this previous structure and then pushes up. Then we're going to want to look for confirmation there. But if price keeps on rejecting this area and decides to go back down, then we'll focus on countering sales and retest buys. Countering buys and retest sales. So we'll have to see if price really respects this area. So we'll see as time goes down. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the 9:15 candle to close. Then we're going to go over our confirmations and look over the market structure and then prepare what type of buy or sell that we're going to do. So stay tuned and I will be right back. All right, so the 9:15 candle is just closed. So let's go ahead and post my rules here. Then we're going to talk about we're going to look over everything. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually look at the overall market structure of current trend. Now, price really did give us a strong counter trend buy. I really think that price is probably going to hit this structure and maybe push them down and give us a further sell down. There's a possibility price could break through that and buy up and rise above, changing from bearish to bullish. So we'll just have to watch out for that. So for now, I'm going to really look for, we got another confirmation buy. The price is kind of closing above this previous breaker structure. So if that's the case, then I might consider maybe looking for an overall buy, possibly. But we'll have to keep in mind that price could push down and go further down for a sell. So since price just closed above this previous structure, we'll look for overall buy since it kind of changed. And then we'll probably shoot all the way up to here. And then at least 1,000 points. I'm gonna go ahead and add this layer as well. Right. So yeah, price really breaking above this structure. So probably safe to say that we need to start looking for counter sales of new tech buys now. So that's what I'm going to kind of be looking for now. If price had held at this break of structure and further sold down, then I'll probably be looking for counter buys and retest sales. So that's why I'm looking at the structure. So moving forward, what we want to look at, we're going to wait for the 929 candle to close. Then we're going to start looking at whatever confirmations we're getting, whether it's a confirmation buy or sell, cheapo buy or sell, the high spike arrow indication, um, and the price is above or below the HMA. Now, price closed above the HMA here. As time goes on, if we see that this HMA turns blue, then we'll probably, but that's a confirmation that we're probably starting to go bullish. Then we just need to look at that. So we have about 9 minutes until the 929 candle closes, and then we'll move on to the next step. So I will be right back. All right, so the 829 candle is closed. So we already have a confirmation buy at this candle. But what I'm looking for is I'm looking to see if the HMA is going to turn blue. Then it'll let us know that maybe a strong candle might follow with this one. But there's also a big wick here, so price might be still rejecting this previous structure and it might push further down. So we'll just have to really wait and see what that price action and see what price is going to do once 930 hits. So we have about a little bit over 20 seconds for that. So we're just going to watch it steady and see what we get. So we have a little bit over 10 seconds. And the candle drops. It's like the HMA hasn't turned blue yet. We'll wait for the next candle though. So it needs to push up. But I don't know. HMA went up a little bit, but it's not blue yet. All right, I'll go ahead and take a sell. We'll see how we do. I mean, I took a buy, I'm sorry. So we took a bye, guys. We'll see how we do on this. And tracing down. Okay. I decided to cut my loss. So yeah, price is probably hitting that area, ready to sell. So let's see. I put my loss below 2%. Yeah, probably gonna need to sell down here in a minute. Got to work on my timing once again. They think they might buy too quickly. Yeah, might be selling down. Which that's what I originally thought. But it's still going back and forth. You know, it's selling down. And so originally, when I looked at the structure, I figured that price is going to try to take us out and hit the structure and go back down. That's probably what it's doing. But even if I hadn't jumped into the buy trade, I would have still waited for a confirmation sell or a cheap code sell before even jumping in this one. You continue to watch this price and study it. bouncing back and forth. Probably what I should have did was I should have waited until the 9:45 candle. Yeah, so we got about 6 minutes until the next candle closes. In this case, it looks like it bought up. So according to the structure, because it broke above this structure here, there's like this confirmation bias is accurate so far possible. So let's see. Here's the see the 1045 candle right there. But this confirmation that this cheat code buy was accurate, but that's good. Went up about 570 points before this confirmation signal. And then this confirmation signal, went up about 300 points, which is fine. But this one might be falling up the confirmation buy signal, possibly. But buy into the yeah, it'll be a follow up and buy that. So judging by the confirmation buy here, it pushed up and then it retested and went up. So this would have been a very, probably would have been a quality entry here after that. Only mistake I made was it just being more patient and waiting for the candle to really start gaining strong momentum. So it ended up having to be a but. It probably would have been a quality entry here. So we do the promotion for sure now. Now we're at the 9:45 candle. We got two post sell signal. So at this point, we're looking for counter trend sales and retest buys. So price probably might come back down to this structure. Retest the same area and then go up. I'm not going to jump in it already. Maybe this might be a sell. Give me another break of that. This would have been our quality neutral year. Quite broke about, this would have been very quality neutral. We could have, probably put it this way, the price of gas back in, like, that. I don't think that's that. But he's got to get better in that time. So there's probably would have been a good quality neutral. So that's it for this session, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.